In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backtest on Finviz. Backtesting helps you see how a trading idea might have worked historically, so you can judge whether it's worth exploring further. To use Finviz's backtesting tools, make sure you're signed into a Finviz Elite account, since the backtest feature is part of the Elite subscription. Once you're logged in, look to the top left of the site and click Backtests to open the backtesting dashboard. If this is your first time here, you'll see an option to create your first backtest. Click that to open a new strategy setup. You'll start by giving your backtest a clear, descriptive name. Pick something that reminds you of the idea you're testing, like the indicator and time frame, so it's easy to recognize later. Next, choose the index. This sets the market context or universe you're focusing on, such as a major benchmark. Then, use the tickers field if you want to focus on specific symbols. You can paste in a small list for a targeted test, or leave it aligned with your chosen index if your idea is meant for a broad universe. Set a minimum daily USD volume to filter out illiquid names. This helps keep your results more realistic by avoiding stocks that are too thinly traded. Select the start and end dates to define your testing window. Pick a period that captures different market conditions, like both uptrends and downtrends, so you're not only measuring performance in one type of market. Now, enter a transaction cost. This is important for realism because it accounts for commissions and potential slippage. If you're unsure, start with a conservative estimate so you don't overstate performance. With the basics in place, go to the long strategy section and choose the indicator that represents the technical conditions you want to test. This is where you turn your idea into rules. For example, you might select a moving average crossover, an RSI threshold, or another technical signal that fits your approach. Adjust the indicator settings to match your concept, keeping them consistent with how you would actually trade. When everything looks right, click Run Backtest. Finviz will process your setup and simulate trades based on your rules within your chosen universe, dates, and costs. Use this to assess whether the strategy behaves as expected and to spot obvious issues, like too few trades or unrealistic filters. Keep your inputs simple and logical, and make small, thoughtful adjustments, rather than changing multiple things at once. That way you'll understand exactly what's driving any improvement.